this grill called Jamaican Grill.
Yes.
I love the layout of it.
It is everything Jamaican. We celebrate Jamaican here, as you can see. We love our culture, from even the show that you enjoyed at the St. Susanna show to the Jamaican Grill. Here you have your jerk chicken, your jerk pork, all of the condiments.
Now you have your family section, right? What's that like?
It's just a vibrant place with a lot of activities. A bowling alley, our new virtual reality arcade game center, the Daisy Kids area.
The Lazy River too?
The Lazy River.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. Always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
This is Ocean Eden Bay Resort. This is the adult section of this beautiful hotel. It's located in Trelawney. My first time actually on this property. They also have a family side which is called Ocean Coral Spring. So I'm going to meet up with somebody and find out more about this place in terms of when it was built, what's the layout like, how many rooms are there. It's a relatively new hotel, meaning that it was built from the ground up. A lot of hotels that are here were renovated. So they really capitalize in terms of the layout of the property and set it up how they want to set it up. Normally when you see some hotels, they kind of renovate it from a previous owner, which means that they have to work with the infrastructure that was there before. I think I found the person who can give me all the pertinent information about this resort. Tanisha, what's up?
Well, go on, Kareem. Welcome.
All right. Listen, this is such a huge property.
Yes, it is. Ocean Eden Bay, where we are right now, is our adults only section. We have 444 junior suites and master suites in this hotel.
That's a lot you're telling me. All right. So talk to me about the junior suites. What are those?
Well, we have junior suites that have lovely swim outs, rooftops, as well as we also have master suite. Yes, you heard me right, rooftops.
Really? All right, so hold on.
Yes.
Let's talk about the swim out now. What's the swim out like? Is that something that's on the ground floor?
Those are on the ground floor. Those accommodations have either a king or 2 queen beds. And there is a swim out, so you have lounges. And from your balcony, you just step right into your pool.
Oh, so for those who probably don't want to go into the general pool area like where we're at now?
Yes, yes, yes. They would have their own pool. And similarly, like with the junior suite rooftop rooms now, for those rooms, you can go up on the top of your roof and you have a private jacuzzi.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Are you getting to, like, what's the view looking like
oh
up
my
there?
God, you're having the most spectacular view because you're seeing all the Caribbean Sea, the mountains that are in the backdrop, hang out with your friends, a couple of drinks. It's cool.
So you can actually just invite persons up?
Well, of course, you know, Ocean Eden Bay is that place. You're coming here to have fun, celebrate with loved ones, with your friends, romantic getaways as well. So, yeah.
Do these rooms have like butler services and things of that nature?
So, we do have our privilege level here in the hotel, and that is our upgraded level where guests get a lot of service. That includes butler service, as well as private cabana areas, top shelf brand alcohol. So all the persons who want their NEC and all those other special drinks, the top line liquor, they want to book into the privilege club. So they want to book into that.
So let me ask you a little bit more about the layouts of the room, right? Do they come with like fridge and things of that nature?
Yes. In our rooms, you have a mini refrigerator that is stocked daily. So in our lead junior suite categories, you would have water, soda, beer. In the privilege level categories, those would also now include some alcohol beverages as well as snacks. Our rooms also have all of the amenities that you would require. You have a scale, a safe, coffee maker, tea maker as well in the rooms. You also have your telephone, your Bluetooth speaker.
So let me ask you though, are there any categories of room that we did not get to talk about?
Well, would be our master suite category.
All right, that's a big word.
Yes, yes. So as the name suggests, those are premium level categories where you have a living area.
Meaning that that's your most expensive room?
Those are our most expensive rooms. And we have master suite swim ups, master suite rooftops as well. So those rooms have a living area as well as a private master bedroom area. And they're beautifully designed, very luxurious, perfect for hosting as well. So for guests who would like to either travel with friends or even just wanting to have more luxurious, more space, those rooms would be ideal.
So walk me through this. I'm seeing like a lot of girls groups here, right? If you're doing like a girls group trip, what room would you suggest?
Oh, I would definitely recommend a rooftop room or the swim up. Those two would be my preference. And we do, as you mentioned, have a lot of girls getaways, birthday celebrations, as well as persons come in for romantic getaways as well. And I would definitely say go with a swim up or a rooftop.
Of course, Kareem's quest going to have to ask her the next question now. So for the romantic getaway, right? The honeymoon, the anniversary, what should I go with?
Well, definitely you want to go with a master suite category because you know you really want to flex and impress your loved one. You know, this is when you're gonna spare no expense, right? Right?
So you set that up?
Yes, right. We're going to. You could have your bottle of wine, some fruits. You want to add some strawberries, dipped in chocolates, some rose petals. We decorate the room nicely.
Does that come with the package or you have to pay extra for it?
For the rose petals as well as for the strawberries dipped in chocolate, that's an additional package. But we do decorate once we are aware that you're celebrating.
So once you can prove that you're celebrating your anniversary, she will decorate the room. But if you want to go that extra mile, then you pay for that.
You pay for those additional items, but we do decorate for that. So we would definitely be putting in a bottle of wine, some general fruits that are in season, tropical fruits. We also decorate the room nicely, whether it's towel art or housekeeping staff. They do very creative things just to showcase the memorable occasion. We put a banner on the door.
Okay. I noticed that there was like this one room that had a jacuzzi on the balcony.
So that would be one of the rooms that fall in our privileged category. So all our privileged category rooms do have jacuzzi tubs on the balcony or in the case if it's a rooftop, on the roof.
Okay. With the rooms out of the way, we continued our tour of this huge hotel as we headed towards the kiddies section. This is the famous water park that you've been telling me about, right?
Yes, this is the Daisy section of our property here in Ocean Coral Springs.
Kids love this.
Oh my gosh, man. The parents, them can't leave this area at all.
They throw tantrums.
They throw tantrums. So we have the Daisy water slides there. It's a lot of fun for them. We have all of their favorite snacks here, the chicken nuggets, the
so they can
fries,
get food quickly.
Yes, and their juices. Right there in the back we have our Daisy Club area where they have all their games, some video games as well.
Really?
Yes, man.
You were also telling me about a virtual reality.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Ocean keeps stepping up, right? Yeah, man. We just opened our virtual reality games room, and we're talking about state-of-the-art technology VR games, right? So the UFO, the
everything. I saw a motorcycle thing.
Yes, man. It's surreal. So
is that do you have to pay a fee for that?
Yes, that's an additional cost to that.
Then.
However, bowling is included, so we have a bowling alley, and that's included. So they can
nice. All right. I hear you touch on everything for the kids. What about the adults?
The Spacio Spa. No, with our spa, we have a hydrotherapy circuit. For guests that book at our club, our privileged club level, they get a 1 hour complimentary access to our hydrotherapy circuit area. But we also have spa treatments available. So of course, all the massages, manicure, pedicure. I mean, you bring your loved one, you have to pamper them a bit, you know.
Yeah.
So husbands, boyfriends, girlfriends, wives,
Yes.
you do need to pamper each other. Yes.
Right.
Take advantage
I'm
of the
happy
spa.
I'm happy that you put the responsibility on everybody.
Yes, but we have
Not
to
just
share.
the gentlemen, right?
Yes.
Everybody must have that. So it's a
Yes.
nice comfort thing. What about a gym?
Yes, we have a 24-hour gym here in property. So you're on vacation, but health doesn't stop. We have healthy options to dine all throughout the resort, as well as we have a 24-hour gym. We do have tennis courts as well. We also have a pickleball, a basketball court, a lot of
Really?
activity.
Where's the basketball court?
See, Kareem, you have to come back again.
Yeah,
you know.
I
There's
have to
still
come
more to come.
I did not spot the basketball court.
Yes, man. Right as the entrance of the property, we do have our courts.
Okay,
Yes.
then. I passed this grill called Jamaican Grill.
Yes.
I love the layout of it.
It is everything Jamaican. We celebrate Jamaican here, as you can see. We love our culture, from even the show that you enjoyed at the
Yes.
Senses Dinner Show to the Jamaican Grill. Here you have your jerk chicken, your jerk pork, all of the condiments, whether it is a yam or sweet potato,
Yes.
festival, fry, everything is there. Yeah.
And I love that because at the end of the day, I don't just want persons to have the jerk chicken, but I want them to have that full, authentic Jamaican experience. Because yam is a big part,
Yes.
right, of our staple.
Potato, yes.
Yeah, you
the
get
festival,
me? So
all of that. It has to come. You have to have all of it together. The
Oh.
bami, yes.
there's just so much on this property. Did I touch everything?
There is so much more. There are shops here that you can also shop while you're here. You know, we have
What time
free
they
gift
open?
shops. They open from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m.
What do these gift shops offer?
They have a lot of Jamaican items available, swimwear, as well as, you know, sometimes you might just have that spur of the moment and decide you want to propose.
Oh.
There's a ring there for you as well.
There's a ring.
There's a ring there for you as well. Or if you forgot to get that special gift, it's here for you as well. We have a coffee shop that's there, so you want to just take a break throughout the day, go and hang out, get some treats. That's also there in the resort. Do not miss out our water sports. So we do have water sports here in the property as well. Non-motorized.
What is that? Okay, non-motorized.
Non-motorized is included. However, you can do parasailing. You can get PADI certified while you're staying here with us. We have those classes right here on property. Banana boat rides, glass bottom boat rides.
I saw the glass bottom boat.
Yes,
Yeah.
quite a bit. So there is so much to do.
I'm happy that persons can really come here and enjoy themselves. I was told by somebody that if you want peace and quiet, right, you choose one of the rooms like on this side.
Yes,
It's true?
so just below our snack area here where the kids have all of their fun stuff, we do have the rooms which are in the green space area. They overlook the green area. It's a very quiet space. Yes.
So for those of you who say, oh, listen, you don't like the only for entertainment and support, then fine. But for the persons who want entertainment, what is that like? Give me the time frame up to like what time?
I mean, our blue team, they are on it from in the morning all the way through. So once you start off, you want to start off with some reggae Zumba class, or whether or not you want to play some games or activities by the pool, that's all there. Volleyball, pool volleyball, variety of games, or even any of the facilities that are around the property. But then as you get into the evening, then entertainment starts to get cranked up, right? So then we have our kiddies entertainment starting at 8, and then for the entire family at 9:30, and then we go further to our adult zone entertainment. So we have the sports bar as well as the disco, and the disco goes until 2 a.m.
So, I was just going to ask you, right? With the
Yes.
disco, what's the capacity for the disco?
Well, our disco can accommodate up to 600 persons having a...
Oh, so it's a big space.
It's a big space, yeah, man.
Then good. So I know that there are persons who are going to be coming here who they want to enjoy themselves. They want to make sure that they're going to feel that Jamaican vibe. And I saw your entertainment crew already, so I know what they can bring to the table, right?
Yes, man. They're having their dance classes. They're real vibesy. A lot of fun.
Remind me, on this section, how many rooms are we looking at?
In Ocean Cross Spring, we have 513 junior suites and master suites.
Ah, so okay then. So this one is quite a big. This one is slightly bigger than
It is
the adult.
It is bigger than the adults only.
All
so
right.
the entire complex is 957 rooms and 16 dining options. Yes.
I love it. All right. After we finished talking about the kiddie section and all that it had to offer, we headed to the Food Boulevard, which houses the majority of the 16 restaurants that the hotel has. Now we're finally at this Food Boulevard, right?
Yes, our boulevard, yes.
What did inspire you guys to just come up with, you know, something like this?
Well, we had a great architect team that worked with us in creating a fabulous design. So right here in the boulevard, we have all of our restaurants, well, majority of our restaurants. And just
to find all the Kareems Quest content in one place, visit the website kareemsquest.com. You'll see colorful adventure stories, a lot of pictures of Jamaica's beautiful landscape, and articles that highlight the many unique things about Jamaica. It's all at kareemsquest.com.
And just so we're passing right now Martha's Market, which is one of our buffet restaurants.
Yeah.
And we also have Sakura, which is our teppanyaki restaurant with a live cooking action. But this whole boulevard here is like an active throb. It's like going through South Beach and walking along the strip in restaurants. You give that strip
I get
mall type of feel.
So let me ask you then. So parallel to us is the
Sakura.
Japanese restaurant.
Yes.
No, that's the one where I saw a line.
That's right. So we do have dinner reservations for Sakura, which is our teppanyaki restaurant. It's a live action cooking station.
Okay, so you can't just walk in.
No, not for this one.
Okay.
We have in total on our entire complex, only 3 restaurants require dinner reservations.
Okay.
And that would be Sakura or Senses Dinner Show, as well as La Laconda Italian restaurant. All the other restaurants, no reservations would be required.
So talk me through the one that I just went through. That's a buffet type, a la carte?
Yes. So the buffet is not a la carte, it's a buffet, and that's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Full wide variety of dining options. So for persons who are picky eaters too and want a lot of variety, this is an excellent option as well, because you always have a Jamaican section, you have a vegan and a health section, you have a wide variety of options always available, you know?
So tell me about some of the restaurants now on this trip.
Okay, so we have Route 66, which is our all-American theme barbecue restaurant. And when we talk about American theme, we're talking about slow-cooked rub barbecue Tennessee sauce. Yes, so we're talking about if you want those ribs, you know, persons who love that's where you're gonna have your
So that's where I should have gone and got some ribs.
Yes, exactly. The next is La Laconda. So of course, La Laconda is very popular for the families. You know, children just love Italian food.
Okay.
Yeah, man, they love pizza, they love the pasta, they love lasagna. I mean,
spaghetti, everything, right?
Yes, but beyond all of that, there's also, of course, a much wider options on our Italian restaurants menu. And it is a very popular dining option. So we do have dinner reservations also required for this restaurant.
Oh, so Italian one is dinner reservation.
Yes, dinner reservations required for the Italian as well. And then...
Wait, I just want to stop you real quick, right? What's your favorite of all? I'm putting you on the spot.
Yes, this is very hard. There's so many options. It's really tough. But I must say, I'm a big fan of Indian food. I must say, we have a very fabulous Indian restaurant here. Very authentic in flavors. We actually do have a chef that is traditionally trained in cooking Indian food from India that is on board here, Josh. Anyway,
nice.
It's so fabulous. I love, you know, when you talk about curry chickpea, the butter chicken, roti, all of it.
So you're the Indian person then?
Yes, I am.
All right. So her recommendation, whenever you come to Ocean Eden Bay or Ocean Coral Spring, remember that Tanisha said to try the Indian food.
Absolutely.
You know what I tried? I tried the surf and turf. And I felt like the beef was done like how you talk about Route 66.
Yes.
Because it was very tender.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Yes,
so
sounds like you went to the steakhouse.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it was very tender.
Yes, man. So just continue with the dining options. We do have our West Indies cuisine restaurant.
Oh.
Yes, man. So, you know, a lot of Caribbean flavors here. So oxtail, you want to have that, yeah, man, always available right here in our West Indies restaurant. We call it Sugar Cane.
Ah, Sugar Cane.
Sugar Cane.
Right. I love this place called Marina.
Ah.
So I had lunch there, and this is what I would recommend. The barbecue chicken at Marina. That is my recommendation.
Well, right. Okay, at Marlin.
Marlin, yes.
At Marlin. Well, at Marlin, one of the things too that's very cool, you know, you want to, as you mentioned, just having your nice barbecue chicken. You also have the option of having a nice whole fried fish. Don't miss it.
Really?
Yeah, to die for you. Tonight,
all right, so I'm going to have to try that.
Definitely.
I will try that.
Yes, now we're going into Ocean Eden Bay.
Yeah.
So as we're entering into Ocean Eden Bay restaurant area, to notice that Ocean Eden Bay is adults only. So kids.
Also, over this side is for kids and family.
Kids and family.
This side now is adults.
Adults only.
All right.
Right.
Okay.
So for guests who are booked in Ocean Eden Bay,
you have the steakhouse.
They have the steakhouse and they have access to everything that's available in Ocean Coral Spring. However, the guests that book in Ocean Coral Spring, they would not have access.
So they can't pass this point.
Right. So they would not.
So you look for that sign above us that you can see.
Yes.
And you can't pass this point if you are booked in at Ocean Coral Spring.
Right.
All right. So now there was this experience that I had at this restaurant. I think it's called
the Senses.
Yes, Senses.
Yes.
It's like this theater type stuff.
Yeah, man. It's a spectacular dining because it's a dinner show.
Okay.
A one of its kind here in Jamaica. So while you're dining, there's a full performance that is on take dance.
Because I saw that Bob Marley performance and it was beautiful.
It was. It's one of the things that's well sought after. And we do have that in Ocean Eden Bay. That show can be booked. It's one of the experiences, dinner experiences that we have reservations required for, and so that can be booked Mondays, Wednesdays, as well as Sundays and Fridays.
Okay, then all right. So it's like 3 days of the week then.
Actually, 4 days.
4 days.
4 days of the week.
Yeah, that was a nice production, and then they gave everybody Jamaican flags.
Yes,
yeah,
man.
I like that.
It's I've seen it so many times and it never gets old.
Yeah, I would recommend that to the persons, and the audience was very receptive, and then the performers, they really put on a show.
Yes, they are really, and the food, not to mention. And that's one of the things with the dinner show is like you're being entertained so much, but it is activating all the senses.
And it's kind of in like an amphitheater, so everybody has a good view and everybody has a good sound. And that is very important because sometimes when you're watching performances in certain locations, you don't get to see a good view. You know what I mean? But this one is set up pretty much like what an amphitheater would look like. So everybody gets a good view of the stage and can hear everyone on the stage keenly. So I must put that in as well. Kareem's Quest don't get to do it everywhere, but I think I covered the most important points. If there are any more information that you want to know, you can look for the link in the description section or somewhere where I did my written review of this property, because I got to spend some time here, but I still need to go visit some other places, don't it?
Yes, there is still so much that. I mean, we didn't even cover like weddings and conventions and banquets.
I need to say this, right? So I went over to Ocean Coral Spring, right? And I love the lobby area better in that because of the plane.
Yes, yes. So in Ocean Coral Spring, you enter, you see that lovely plane. It's really exciting for the kids coming in. Yes, bright colors.
And then for the adults, now, them only give us a stingray.
Yes,
right?
of course. You know,
they only give us a stingray.
Yeah, the stingray.
No, you have to give us like a shuttle, right?
No man,
or a big ship.
No man, the stingray, you know, water, aquatic, relaxing vibe. You get that. You know,
and I realize you do something that I don't see any other hotels still, is that you have a shower area. Right? Yes. So when persons come, they can just head to the shower area?
Exactly. All right. So check-in is at 3. However, you come to the resort and you can already start your vacation, right? So if your room is not ready, you can get in your swimwear and already start enjoying the facilities.
Okay, so kareemsquest.com has reviews on all these different properties. You can really come to Jamaica and enjoy yourself. I'm at Ocean Coral Spring and Ocean Eden Bay. One is for adults only, the other one is for families. It's a really nice experience. You can go to their website as well to find out more information. But if you want my first-hand perspective of it, you can just go to kareemsquest.com and read the full review. As usual, you're always welcome to join the quest. I mean, it's a lovely experience here. And write in the comment section if you want Tanisha to try like the slides and support like that, right? I mean, or perform at the entertainment stations, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
They have special managerial nights where they're going to give you some good performances, but it's really nice here. You know, you get a really lovely experience, and I must give like your staff a lot of credit. I went down to the Jerk Center, and that was Jerk Grill. That was a really nice experience for me. And I think you had a staff member, Kendra, that was serving me in the morning. She was also, you know, very awesome. So, job well. How many persons do you employ?
We have near 2,000 employees here. Yes.
So nearly 2,000 employees. All right.
Big operation here.
All right, and listen, if you want any consultation in terms of what place might suit you best, reach out to me via email and I'll let you know in terms of what my thoughts are. As usual, persons, you're always welcome to join the quest.